यहाँ पे करते हैं 235 divided by 88. 235 divided by 88. How we are going to do that? So simple process will again same. We are going to write down 35, 235 here, and 88 it will be here. Now one thing is you have to keep in mind that what is the difference of 88 from 100? Now you may going to ask me, sir, why we are taking 100? Look, we are taking 100 because base is our 100. Instead of multiplying with 88, if we are going to divide this number with 100, what is the answer? 2.35, right? Even we don't have to do anything, we know that dividing this value is simply put down decimal after 2 digits, you got the answer. But unfortunately we have to divide with 88 and it makes our calculation complex. So that is the reason we are taking the difference from 100 to 88. So based on that we can calculate our value. So we found that our value is 12, having a deficiency difference between 100 to 88. What is the use of this? That I will tell you. But the first rule is same. Pair of 2, first value as it is, so 2 is there. ठीक है, ये समझ में आया? Now next step is changing. This 12 is come into the picture and we're going to multiply with 2. 12 into 2?
24. 24.
What I'm writing here? I'm not writing 2 plus 35. Do you find the difference? Did you find the difference? In previous example, what I did? I written down 21 and I added 21 plus 31 and write it down 52, right? But in this example, I'm not doing that thing. First difference is I'm writing the difference, and the second difference is I'm multiplying this difference with 2 and adding the value here. So 34 plus 24 is 59. This is still less than 88. So we can say that this is the remainder and this is percent. Now look at here. Maybe we are wondering, sir, अचानक से 99, 98 ये इतना बड़ा value कैसे? So just take one example and then we'll move for that. ठीक है? That are also easy, but maybe you will become less confident. So let's take one example here. I am taking 3, 4, 5, 87. Give me the answer, everyone. I can make the number bigger, but I wanted to check the concept only. So I took the very easy example. Give me the answer, everyone. Now, you may be wondering, sir, you haven't taught the every other method. Now, I taught you 9, I taught you 8, I taught you 7. It means I taught you 6, 5, 4 as well. Similarly, if I taught you 99, I taught you 98, I taught you 97, and now I'm teaching you 88, 87. It means what? I taught you 76, 74 as well, right? And same process will work for 18 or 29 as well. Now your job is to find all these values, because as you can see that this method is very easy. Are you agree with me or not?
Is this method applicable for all the numbers? I mean,
Now you are writing the correct, asking the correct question. This is applicable for all answer, but you have to visualize those method. How could I teach with every number? Is it possible? So I am taking the common numbers. Now look at this. 8907. 8907. And this is the number. It will give you the confidence. The question you ask me, this will be the answer. Okay? Look at here. 8907 is the number. And you are dividing 13103. Is there anything harder than that you have done in your life? Have you done this kind of division in your life?
no.
No,
Anyone raise your hand if you've done that? Why we are taking it? Because Vedic math itself is so easy that we are challenging ourselves. No, I'm going to take 4-digit divisor and let's do it. So again, we are going into the basics. What was the basics? I told you, if the number is 88, you have to find the, in that case, our difference was, so वो तो 88 था ना, 88 था तो आपके लिए 100 बेस था. यहाँ तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर है. What will be the probable base? Anyone? Ah, very good. Who said this?
10,000.
10,000. Very good. So this is the 10,000 is our base. And why we decided base 10,000? Because this number will make our calculation easy. Okay. Now, this is our base, but this is not our number. Our number was 8907. So similarly, what we are going to do? We are going to find the difference. Chalo, difference find out karo. Kya nikla?
1093.
But this is the number which will going to help us to get the next value. Now coming to the dividend, first 4 numbers are there, so we are going to take 4 as a value. Okay, 4 value we are going to make it outside. Now only 1 is the remainder. Then what we are going to do first? Write down as it is. ये कुछ नया है? Is it a new step? Now what we are going to do? Anything? ये तो देखने से ही समझ में आ रहा है, right?
Multiply.
1 into 1093. I did the same thing in the previous example as well. Look at this, 22 into 12 into 2. That is, here I am also going to do the same thing. लेकिन इसको इतना lightly मत लो. It will become little tedious when I'm going to discuss the next example. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे पूरी कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर करनी है, क्योंकि आप लोग यहाँ ये नहीं समझ रहे हो कि यहाँ पे कुछ अगर वैल्यू बचा ही नहीं होता तब क्या करते. What if there is no any value, and if you and it still there is one more question, that what if there is only one value here, what you are going to do, that I am going to cover. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, एडिशन किया है. देखो मैंने साइन दिया है, डोंट कंफ्यूज, क्योंकि जनरली क्या होता है, what you are doing in the subtraction, in division you generally do the subtraction, but in all these operation we do addition, so don't subtract anytime. बहुत सारे बच्चे subtract कर लेते हैं, don't confuse with this, ठीक है, because this method is different, so our operation is also different. We are doing addition, so this is what remainder, this is what, समझ में आया, simply we add it.
Yes,
और देखो यहाँ पे ये चेक करना मत भूलना, 4196 is what, less than 8907, so we have to make it the right remainder. अगर ये होता 9196, is it the right remainder?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We will going to subtract, so it will become 2 and remaining value will be next. This is also easy. 21012 divided by 7789. The question I took is this question. I ask you 21012, and what we have to do? We have to divide 7789. This is the number. This is the base. 10,000 and 7789 is the number. So you have to find the difference. Difference was 2211. This is the difference. Now this difference and this is the pair 1012. This is the 10 because there is a 4-digit number. I took 4 pair. 2 as it is. Now this 2 will going to multiply with the difference. इसको multiply किया, यहाँ पे ये value आई, इस दोनों को multiply करके यहाँ, और फिर मैंने add किया, तो ये हमारा हो गया quotient और ये हो गया. Got it, everyone? The question is 84 and divided by 17. So in that case, we wanted to understand what? That this number is 2-digit and this is also the 2-digit. So we are going to make the pair. So what is the quotient? We don't have any number to make a quotient, right? That is the question. That is the doubt.
Yes, sir.
So look at this. 79 I'm writing 84 here, and we are making the pair. After making the pair, we don't have anything to make as a quotient. That's okay, because we have a base 100, so we have a 21 is the what? Difference from 100. Now we don't have anything to write as a quotient, so I'm writing quotient as a 0. Is it fine? Now what we are going to do? 0 into 21. 0. Add this. What is the number you are getting? 84. Now tell me, 84 is the correct quotient? Compare with a 79.
No, sir.
No.
Subtract it. So what is the correct quotient?
7.
After subtraction, 5. 5. Quotient 1. Good. Remainder is 5. Quotient is 1. You are right. So this is the answer. समझ में आया? Now look at this example. So 1108 divided by 79. So again, what is the base?
100.
100.
100.
Our difference is from 100, 20.
20.
So this is clear. This is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Now, because this is a 2-digit number, so what I'm going to take? I'm going to make the 2-digit pair. ठीक है? Now, last value is for remainder. Remaining all value is for. ये तो सबसे पुरानी बात है. 5 साल से हम लोग यही पढ़ रहे हैं. First thing is first digit as it is. 1 I'm writing here. Now what we are going to do? 1 will going to multiply with 21. So what we are going to do?
Add 21.
I'm adding only this value and this value. So this is under remainder, but this is not under remainder. Remainder is for last 2 digit only. ठीक है ना? तो ये 1 और 2 को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आया? 3. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And this is not under remainder. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And because this is not under remainder, so we are going to repeat the same process once again. क्योंकि हमारा अभी remainder में तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ऐड, ये तो बचा ही हुआ है. इसमें हमने कुछ किया? We haven't done anything with the 8 now, till now. So we are going to multiply this 3 with 21. Do it. 21 into 3.
63.
भूल मत जाना कि इसके साथ नहीं करना है, इसके साथ हमारा काम हो चुका है. हाँ बोलो, कोई डाउट पूछ रहा है, बोलो. Anyone have a doubt?
No.
2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 will going to multiply with 21, so we get 63 and that 63 will going to add into the next column. So अब देखो दोनों कवर हो गया ना. So now add it 6. देखो यहाँ पे जो मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो ये 1, ये 0 और ये 6 सबको ऐड करेंगे. Add it. 1 plus 0 plus 6.
Sir, 7.
7 आया ना?
7.
7 आएगा. 6 plus 1 is 7. How it is 8 I will tell you. Now 8 plus 3 is what?
11.
अब यहाँ तो 11 नहीं लिख सकते. It means this 1 will go into this 7. So 7 plus 1 will become 8. Now समझ में आया? Now got
Yes,
the point.
Yes,
Now tell
sir.
me this 81 is correct remainder?
No, sir. No.
Because the divisor is 79. So subtract. So you will get 2 remainder and 13 plus 1. This will become 14. इसको नोट डाउन कर लो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. आज के लेसन मिस मत करना, क्योंकि फिर अगर आप ये कर लोगे तो आधा अधूरा कोई काम का नहीं रहेगा, यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू यूज दिस मेथड। देखो सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, लुक एट दिस 4 डिजिट नंबर, दिस इज द 8 डिजिट, 8 और 7 3 4 7 7 digit and we are going to use it. There is a 4 digit divisor, so how many numbers I am going to make it as a pair? Last
Sir, 4.
remaining is for
3.
8989 10,000 बेस, डिफरेंस लिया 1010 आ गया। फर्स्ट वैल्यू को मैंने एज इट इज लिख दिया। देखो अब मैं इसलिए कह रहा था ध्यान देने के लिए, लुक एट हियर 1 एज इट इज दिया, इट्स क्लियर। नाउ दिस
Yes, sir.
1 will going to multiply with 1011, so what is the number? Same number 1011, look at this number, right? 1011। now add this 1 plus 1, what we will get? 2।
Sir, 2.
अब देखो इसको मैंने ऐड नहीं किया अभी, इसको क्यों ऐड नहीं किया? क्योंकि इसका अभी टाइम नहीं है, अभी हमें इस वैल्यू को ही सिर्फ ऐड करना है, ठीक है। जब हम इस वैल्यू पे आएंगे यहाँ पे, तब हम इस सारे को ऐड कर देंगे, ये ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं जल्दी में आप 2 + 0 यहाँ 2 लिख दो, तो यहीं से गलती होना शुरू हो जाएगा, ठीक है। कीप इन माइंड यू आर प्लेइंग विथ 1 कॉलम एट ए टाइम always, ठीक है। so first value I write down as it is here, then this 1 into 1011 I write it down this one, so 1011, and then I add it, this is the value 2, now 2 will going to multiply with 1011, so what we will get? 2022, look at here, this one 2022। now our work with this column is going on, so I'm going to add it 2 + 2, समझा सबको?
Yes, sir.
अब इस 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 1011 4044, और देखो आपने सारे वैल्यू को कवर कर लिए। देखो ये 4 इसके पास गया ना, तो सबको ऐड कर, सबको अब इनिशियली से ऐड किया, ऐड करने के बाद मुझे आया 6487। ये वैल्यू क्या है? डिविजर से छोटा है, दिस वैल्यू इज लेस देन, दिस रिमाइंडर इज लेस देन डिविजर, सो दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर, ठीक है। चलिए मिलते हैं अगले क्लास में।